has made with the collaboration of Tommy the Hill at instructables.com. He has made this motion detector. So the link is here. Hello everyone. To make this motion detector, we need an Arduino Uno. I have put it inside a plastic box with the holes for the power and cable. You will need an PIR sensor. I have put it on the cover for that case. We need to make a hole for an LED. That LED color may vary. You need some jumper cables, an Arduino cable, some zip ties, a speaker and a bass, any kind of bass to make it more nice. So now we have to connect the wire that goes to the sensor's ground to the ground on the Arduino. Now connect the VCC to the 5 volts on the Arduino. Last, connect the out to the pin 7. Now take the speaker. Positive end of the speaker should go to the pin 9 and the negative to the ground. Now the long leg of the LED should go to pin 13 and the shorter to the ground right next to pin 13. It will look something like this. Now when I put my hand, it should buzz like this. And this is after programming. You have to program. You have to go to that site. That link is in the description also. It might take a delay for this to restart, but it works perfectly. It works with the infrared heat, infrared radiation that our body emits. Any disturbances in the infrared will make this buzzer on. After putting it with the base and zip tying it, it will look something like this. Or not like mine, with any kind it can look. See, it's working nicely. So thanks for watching. Share, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.